we want to teach the kansetsu geri and Yoku geri step by step. Please follow me and practice these geris. At first, we want to teach the kansetsu geri. For 3 steps, I teach it. For the one, I up my leg in this position, and exactly in 45 degrees, I open my leg in this position, and a little I go back, and after that I close it as a first step. I show this with speed. I show the kansetsu geri with the Dachi and techniques of hands. Chini, the back leg go up, these both hands put to my in this position, and I open the leg in 45 degrees. This side, a little, I go to back, again close, go to Zenkutsu Dachi and do geri. I show the speed one. Now we want to teach a Yoku geri and long hand with Dachi and techniques of hands. Please practice with me. We show my leg up in this position, show blade of my foot, go to this side, show the blade, close as first one. Again I show this, echi, I show the blade, knee, I close it, side. 3 steps I teach this leg, this geri, and show it with the Dachi. Chini, I rotate my the other leg, up my leg in this position, open it and show the blade foot, close, go to Zenkutsu Dachi and do geri. I show you the speed.